So it's very dark, as you can tell. The sun isn't up yet. It's overcast and almost a little drizzling. But the compost has to be emptied, because this is about what goes in my compost, which is at the moment just another bucket of kitchen waste. Lots of tea leaves, paper towels, avocado and banana skins at the moment. Tea bags. Ooh. Yep. Oh, this is hard with one hand. Oh, there it goes. Alright. So I have, since the last video, added I've got to watch where I'm walking. I've already got a sore ankle. Can you see that big red bucket there? Big red bucket. I've added about 3 big red bucketfuls of weeds that I managed to pull out last weekend. And I've also got something else that I'll show you in another video that I'll be adding to the compost. Anyhow, I've got to go to work, so I can't sit around here and talk much longer. Can you see all the trees in the back? We're in the middle of winter. It's all deciduous. Quite spooky and eerie in a nice way. I like it. This time of the year, just all the silhouettes against the grey sky. Anyhow, that's it for now. I'd like it if you subscribed. Increase the chances of getting recognised on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next video. This is going to be a really messy video, but I've got to get something up because I've been really slack lately. I've had gout in my right ankle, which has severely limited my ability to get around the backyard. And I've also been really crazy busy at work preparing Carnival of Flowers garden, which is a bit of a Toowoomba thing. I'll leave a link in the description below that might lead you to more info about the Carnival of Flowers. It's quite a big festival for us here in Toowoomba. I've planted 6 plug trays, 300 plants each, 1800, so I've planted about 2,000 plants and about 400 bulbs, and yeah, that's chewed up a lot of my time. So hopefully, although this weekend they forecast rain and showers, so I might not get much done in the garden this weekend either. But anyhow, we'll do what we can. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.